Hi guys, today I will be setting up my betta fish tank setup. So let's get started. These are the two blue female bettas that I got from same shop, and they were kept in the same aquarium. So hopefully they'll get along. This is 2 kgs of white sand that we'll be putting in a 1 foot aquarium. I've got the siphon, the lights, and the fishes. This is another female. This is the male red betta that I already have in the fish bowl. I've got the bamboo stick, lucky bamboo plant as well. This is the coconut shell I made out home out of the coconut. And these are the 2 apple or mystery snails that I got. They can clear the water of algae because they feed on algae. This is moss. I bought it from the store. And then here are the eggs. On the second day I got the pair of betta. They laid some eggs, and the male and female collectively ate all of them. I managed to save a few. I don't think they will hatch, they don't seem to be fertile. And here is the red male betta again. I have kept the snails to acclimate with the water. And this is the lucky bamboo stick I got. I'll cut it into half and put it in the aquarium. The moss, the coconut shell. This helps deal with a bit of ammonia because there will be a bit of plants. I got this driftwood as well from the shop, but this might have some bacteria and tannins, so we'll need to wash it clearly and then boil it multiple times to make sure that all the unwanted bacteria dies out and the tannins are released, so they don't blacken the water unnecessarily. And so I'll wash it and I'll put it in a utensil and fill it with water and boil it for a really good while. Parallelly we can do the rest of stuff, so let's keep this for boiling. I put the gas on max obviously because the quicker it boils better. I'll show you how it turns out. The 2 female bettas are flaring at them, which is quite tense because I hope they get along, because bettas are known for fighting. They are known as Siamese fighter fish. But when they flare, the fins open up a lot, so you can see how beautiful the fins are. You can even still see how they expand their gills while they are flaring at each other. And though it's been only 1 day, the female has gotten tetrally. Here is the 1 foot tank that we've got. I've washed it and I'm checking for the water leaks. I'll keep it there for a while and then scrub it. This is a white sand, and I'm washing that thoroughly as well. I'll do multiple water changes and make sure all the impurities get out. The sand might be carrying a lot of dust, loose dust particles that we don't want in the aquarium, because they'll compromise the clarity of the water, and then there could be other parasites, etc. So it's good if you wash it, rinse the sand with clear water multiple times. That helps keep it safe. Here the driftwood, you can see the tannin that has come out. The water has become almost black. Here is the rest of the things that I'm planning to use. And now let's get started. I have the tank clear. I have the sand washed and ready. I'll start with the basic layer and pour some water. Now once we have the base ready, I've placed the coconut, the lucky bamboo and the rock. I've put some moss on the rock and on the coconut shell with the help of the thread. I've placed it on the shelf before filling up with water, because later on it would be very difficult to carry it. I've filled it up with water and letting it settle. I've put in the snails and the almond leaves. Almond leaves help reduce the pH, give a tannin to the water, which is natural for betta. I've put the male betta inside. The water is still not clear very much, and I've put some leaves, fake leaves in the center, then some money plants hanging out with the root inside the water. This helps because initially the male beta and the female beta will try to establish the territory and will get aggressive in the process. So this helps break the line of sight and vision, so they don't get aggressive too much and they have their own hiding spots and where they can sit in peace and not fight much. I also added a hang on back filter, as you can see, along with a few other things that I will cover in the next video. Thanks for watching.